Hello and welcome. So, we're going to be talking about some more similar triangles today. So, it says in the figure below, triangle ABC and QRS are similar triangles with the given side length in meters. And then it says, what is the perimeter in meters of triangle QRS? Okay, very important that you read your directions on this one because you're not just solving for the missing side, you'll need to know it, but you'll on top of that need to find the perimeter, which hopefully you remember perimeter is just the sum of all sides added up together. Alrighty, so for this one, gotta know similar triangles, right? What does it mean to have similar triangles? Once we know that, we'll be able to find the remaining information that we need. So it's alright, well, similar triangles mean that they're proportional. So if we were to take 42 and divide it by 14, we end up with the number 3. That means that if you multiply 14 times 3, we'll get 42. And for it to be a similar triangle, that means if we do 6 times 3, which is 18, you'll end up at the other side of the larger triangle. And same thing, whatever this side is, if we multiply it by 3, that should be 81. Well, hello, if we take some length, multiply it by 3 equals 81, how would you solve that? Divide by 3 both sides. That means your x is 27. Your missing side is 27. Bam, done. Okay? And that is what it means for stuff to be similar triangles, that you have that same proportion, the same number being multiplied to all three sides to go from the smaller to the larger. Or vice versa, where you're dividing by the same number to go from larger to smaller. Okay? So, are we done? You might be tempted to because 27 is an answer. However, was it asking for what is the missing side? No, it was asking for a perimeter, which means all we have to do is we just add up the three sides. So 27 plus 6 plus 14. Well, 27 plus 6 plus 14 is 47. And that is the perimeter and thus your answer. That's it. That is all this one's asking for. Not hard once you know the basics of similar triangles and, but you also got to read a little bit. You got to know what perimeter is and you got to be able to find your perimeter. All right. Thanks for watching.